graceful demeanor, are among the most beloved wild animals in the world. Living in dense forests, vast grasslands, and mountainous regions, deer not only add beauty to natural landscapes but also possess fascinating and important ecological characteristics. 1. Species diversity. Deer exhibit an incredible diversity of species. From the spotted deer with their distinctive coats, the robust red deer of Europe, to the diminutive musk deer of Asia, each species brings its own unique beauty and biological traits. This diversity allows deer to adapt to various habitats around the world. 2. Antlers, symbols of strength and beauty. One of the most striking features of deer is their antlers. Antlers symbolize strength and dominance and play a crucial role in mate selection and territorial defense. Each year, deer shed and regrow their antlers, a process that represents renewal and vitality. 3. Reproductive capability. Deer have remarkable reproductive capabilities, with each doe typically giving birth to 1 or 2 fawns per year. Newborn fawns can stand and follow their mothers within hours, helping them avoid predators and increasing their chances of survival in the wild. 4. Diet and ecological role. Deer are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves, grass, and herbs. Their grazing helps maintain vegetation balance, preventing overgrowth of certain plants and promoting biodiversity in forests. Additionally, deer serve as a crucial food source for large predators like wolves, leopards, and lions. 5. Social behavior and communication. Deer are social animals, often living in herds to protect each other from predators. They communicate through vocalizations, scent marking, and behaviors like antler rubbing and body rubbing. This social behavior helps maintain herd cohesion and strengthens bonds within the group. 6. Adaptability to environments. Deer have an extraordinary ability to adapt to a wide range of environments, from tropical rainforests to chilly grasslands. They possess thick fur to withstand winter cold and can find diverse food sources during times of scarcity. Deer are vital components of ecosystems, playing significant roles in maintaining environmental balance. Their elegant beauty and unique biological traits not only enrich biodiversity but also bring joy and admiration to humans. Understanding and protecting deer is a way to preserve and honor the natural beauty of our planet.